Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So in this lecture here, we're going to learn how to delete entries here in this dictionary. Should I say this values, right? So let's go ahead and create a function here real quick. And let's just delete contact here. Let's name it delete contact. We're going to pass in, of course, the contacts dictionary. And we are going to get the key as well. And let's go ahead and return contacts. And this is going to be a very short lecture, guys. Just like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to use pop. All right. So in dictionaries, we have this method called pop. And we just pass in the key. Okay. And we're going to be passing none because we're not going to be using this second argument here for this function. This none here would be the value, the default value that it will be returned just in case it doesn't have, the key if it's missing. All right. So that's why I put none there. But anyway, so let's go ahead and call this function delete contact. And we're going to be passing in contacts here. Just like that. And we'll pass in whatever we want to remove. In this case, we want him to remove Jose. Poor Jose. We're going to remove the guy. Jose, you have to go in this lecture. Sorry about that, buddy. It's not you, it's me. All right? You've been removed. Anyway, just like that. All right? And now we're going to also print the contacts here so where you can see it that he has been removed. Don't worry, Jose. We'll bring you back in another episode, another season, from the TPN channel live. All right. Big ambitions, guys. Big ambitions. Always remember to dream big. Anyway, I don't even know why I said that. Do I plan to make a Netflix application and make it famous? Well, you never know, guys. TPM here, the Python mentor here can do wonders. All right. As you can see, remaining, we only have Brian. Okay. So, yeah, works really good. Remember that this is all in memory. So, yeah, it's only going to work on the go. It's not going to work permanently. As long as you're running this after this, you're running the delete after it, you should be fine. But if you print the contacts up here somewhere before the function, before you call the function, of course, you're going to have all the values. Anyway, guys, right? As a matter of fact, let's do it right now. Let's do it right now real quick. Right? So that way you can see that we have the original here. And the ends right here. And then we have Jose. Okay? And then you have what's going on after. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, even if it was short, if you like me, please give me a like. And subscribe and share it. See you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, guys.